Hi everyone, it's Veronica, and I am here with episode 5 of Kit and Kaboodle Krafting. If you're just joining in on my series, Kit and Kaboodle Krafting is where I'm taking kits that I have purchased in past years or even recently and haven't done anything with. I'm taking these kits and creating the projects. What I'm trying to do is use basically the items that were included in the kit. I may add one or two other things, but I don't deviate too much from that. So I will have a link to my playlist in the description box in case you've missed the other videos. And what I want to do today is share with you my projects. The kits that I chose this week are the ones using Copic coloring. I purchased these kits way back when from Heather's Hobby Haven. I will have a link in the description box to her channel so that you can check her out. I don't know if she still sells kits, but once you go to her channel, I'm sure there's a link to her blog as well. Okay, what I'm showing you here are what the cards from the kits are supposed to look like once they're completed. So this is the first one. And the beauty in her kits is that everything that you see basically is included in the kit. Everything is already cut out. All you had to do was color and then assemble the cards. She has a listing here when she sent the kits, because again, I don't know if she still does that or not. But she gives you all of the paper that's being used, the tools that were used, and other supplies that you will need. Here, this one used 24 Copic markers for this image. Just the image, 24. My desk was full. And then you also get what colors you need to color the specific parts on the image. Okay. And then this is the second one. Yeah, this is called For You, Tilda. And this one used 30 markers for the image. And I discovered while I was coloring, because I have not used my Copics in forever, so much so that I thought they had dried out, but they had not. And I was so grateful. I miss coloring. So I am going to make it a point of trying to color something at least once a week, at least, just to hone my skills, because I still need some work, but also because I enjoy it. It was very therapeutic. All right, here I am going to insert the contents of each kit. Okay, now let me move this to the side. And the only other things I used other than the items in the kit were the diamond stickles, my Wink of Stella marker, and this is the clear. Oops, wrong end. This is the clear. I don't know why this is not showing up, but anyway. And also this Hero Arts stamp set, and I used Hello. All right, now this is Love is in the Air, Tilda, and the stamps, as you saw, are included in the kit. Let me just show you all of the cards. Let me raise this up just a little bit so you can see all of the cards in their glory. What I tried to do here was to use a different complexion for each Tilda. Okay, so, and the layouts are the same on all of them. This Cartabella paper is so pretty, such wonderful quality. But here you see that I use the Hero Art stamp here, and you can see the stickles that were placed here. And I gave each one a different color dress and again a different color complexion. Now this is what the one in the original kit, those were the colors that were used, which I think is still cute. See, I need to practice on hair more. But I love Copics because of the blending, and I really tried working on that. But the only way to get better is to keep doing it. And then this one, I used a darker skin tone. So that is the first one. And then the For You Tilda is here. And if you remember the photo I showed, because she does send photos to show you what it looks like, there were other pieces included, but I didn't really care for those, so I didn't include them in the image. But these are the pieces that should have gone in. So it was 3 pieces that I left out. So this one, and this butterfly, which I think is absolutely beautiful, but it was a little too big for my taste. So I could find a butterfly and go back and add that in somewhere up in here, or just leave it as is. My vote is to leave it as is. Okay, but this is the other one. And there's nothing inside of the cards. I did not finish them off, but that turned out kind of cute. Now here, my Copic was pretty juicy. That's one of the C's. And my understanding is when they get like that, take the cap off the opposite end as well. And that helps it to flow a little bit better. But you can see the Wink of Stella that I used here and here, and also on the flowers. So again, I just need to work especially on the hair. I'm not good with hair at all. And the other concern that I have about my coloring is choosing the colors. And I know you should have a dark, medium, and light in whatever color range you're using. And you see here her pants are a little lighter than they are here. But basically the same layout. I just tied the bow differently here and here. Well, these two are the same. And after I thought about it, I wish I had changed the orientation of at least one of the cards. But I found on Pinterest some time ago when I first tried to do some coloring, there you can find posts about the Copic color of the day. And what it gives you are the color markers to use in trying to do a certain color combination. So that was just perfect for me. Of course, I have a board that is called Copic color of the day. And it just gives you just so many options for different color combinations. So that helps me out quite a bit as well. I'll get to the point where I can just choose the colors myself, but for right now, that works for me. So that is my Kit and Caboodle project for this week. Remember, I do post on the 1st and 3rd Wednesday of each month. And I'm really trying to make it through these kits, but I felt like coloring this week, so that's why I pulled those out. I colored all of the images at the same time, same day rather, not at the same time. So I could get that done, and then all I had to do was assemble the cards. But hopefully you like it. Please leave me a comment below. And at the end of this video, I will just show you a photo of all of the images prior to placing them on the card or cards. Thank you all so much for watching. Happy crafting.